For our kitchen remodel at our little Northwoods cabin, I bought fairly inexpensive solid wood cabinets, but I wanted to do something funky for the counters. I built these countertops out of the old cabinets, and so you can kind of see that they have the old paint and just all the character of decades of use. And I used a little bit of the broken furniture from the barn to build this countertop here. There's two different pieces. I think the thing I'm most excited about is the countertop on this side, because it is made from an old children's dresser that I had at our other cottage that I had saved. And so you can see this was the top of it, and it was falling apart. And then this is one of the sides, and it's got a little zebra on it and just all the crackling paint. And I even used the drawer front, which has a couple little cartoony animals on it. The other side of the dresser had this little horse and some beautiful crackle paint. To seal this all in, I used a 2-part pouring epoxy. I finished the cabinets with a blue stain and got mismatched handles from Restore.